Say goodbye to your best friend. Staff members of St. Mary Mercy Hospital in Livonia are really having a hard time letting go of a therapy dog who was recently diagnosed with terminal cancer.
So hard to do. Maya only has days to live, but she and her owner went to the hospital so doctors and nurses could see her one last time. The Now Detroit Simon Chowdhury sits down with Maya's owner for a heartfelt interview.
Maya has entered into so many lives and changed so many of them.
Ray Rauen fights back tears after learning his dog Maya only has days to live. Ray says he's always been a cat person until he adopted Maya from a Detroit shelter 7 years ago. Because of her calm, friendly demeanor, she became one of 15 therapy dogs at St. Mary Mercy Hospital, winning awards and winning the hearts of those around her.
We've had people lay on the ground with her, and we've had people ask if she can help perform miracles on their loved ones. We've had some fun times.
The Shepherd Lab Mix volunteered nearly 4,000 hours to the community.
She's given so much.
Saturday, when Maya didn't seem to be her usual perky self, Ray rushed her to the vet, and that's when they found out she has cancer throughout her body.
She's just been laying around and just tired, and she's ready to go.
Maya wasn't just a therapy dog for the patients. It seems as though she was also a therapy dog to many of the staff members at the hospital.
A relief of the seriousness of the work that everyone does in the hospital. To have that moment of relief that Maya and Ray brought to them will be really missed and will be hard to fill, if ever.
Employees lined up to give their final goodbyes to Maya and give their support to Ray.
Yeah, I really got attached to her. She's special. Very special.
Many shared with us their own stories and photos of Maya, especially all the times she would come dressed up.
In a hospital environment, there's a lot of sadness that goes on. And so if we can make somebody laugh or smile, no matter how sick they are, no matter how they're feeling.
We don't know how much longer Maya has to live, but I asked Ray what will be his final words to his best friend of 7 years.
I love you. I'll see you again.
Isn't that just heartbreaking?
Yeah, but you know what? It's so good that Maya could go and get some kisses and some hugs because she gave so many smiles to so many people, including the staff there at the hospital. So she's getting a little of that back.
A little of that love that she gave so freely for so long. And our thoughts and prayers to Ray going through this. What a tough thing for him too.
Yeah, a lot of tears around here too.
Yeah,
just
I would
watching
say,
that story.
I know.